heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it.
Hey guys, good morning. We are going to IKEA. Right now I'm walking to the metro station. I have to take a train to Majestic and then to Navasandra. So let's go.
Nay, nay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Rap, rap. Yo no sé si es que te quiero más. Cada vez más rápido se nos da, yeah, más fácil. Debe ser que tú tienes algo que encontrarnos tan fácil. Pero eso es que quiero más, más. Yo soy tu VIP, tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz. Me queda presumir, ay de ti. Qué bonito verte sonreír. Yo soy tu VIP, papi, yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz. Me encanta presumirte, tu amor me compromete. Soy tuya pa' que respeten. Yeah, yeah, vale más que mis billetes y que mi voz lo interprete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. VIP pa' ti, baby, ¿quién lo diría? Todo lo que yo hago por ti, orgulloso diciendo tú eres mía. Tú lo sabes, baby, baby, yeah. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo, besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, y más, y más.
We've reached IKEA, guys, so let's go in. So early in the morning and try to reach IKEA by 10, but considering it's just 10:30 and it's so crowded, I mean, I don't know what's wrong with people. It's Sunday, yeah, come on, stay home. So guys, to make the video, like literally we didn't even have breakfast in the morning. Luckily the cafeteria is not so crowded, so I think we'll first have breakfast and then show. Paid 1,250 rupees for all of them. It was decent, I think. Oh, the coffee is so good. Where do I start? So, let's start with chicken nuggets. Why does this chicken nugget taste better than McDonald's? It's actually better than McDonald's. So good.
All yours.
What?
Chicken.
Veggies is okay. I mean, it's not crunchy. It's very soggy. How is this? Veggie balls. It's alright. How is mashed potato? Very basic. I want to try this. Bread butter. No, bread butter roll. Spices are expecting jam to be there. It's like normal bread. I want to try the pastry. This is so good. Chocolate chip muffin. I like how it's not too sweet on the face, but it's still tasty. Oh my god, look at the chocolate. Now that our tummies are full, let's go shop. IKEA consists of 2 floors. It's level 1 and level 2. Let's start with level 2. Level 2 consists of cafeteria and a wide range of affordable home designing solutions. If you're looking to buy furniture for your new house or redecorating the existing house, level 2 is where you have to be. They have dedicated space for living room, dining area, kitchen area, bedroom, washroom, and also outdoor furnishing. Along with the model rooms, level 2 also has a dedicated space where you can customize your cabins and your wardrobes. There's a small section where all the ready-to-build furnitures are also displayed. You also have the option of customizing the sofa exactly how you want. Now let's go to level 1, which is Market Hall. These are the famous boxes from IKEA, like the one which has, you can open it from the top and use it to. This is definitely one place where you feel like picking up everything and end up splurging all your money.
How often do you hang clothes on terrace?
Like you can store spices in this. It has 2 types of opening. This you use it to crush ginger, garlic and all. It's actually asking for a pan. They have wide variety of kitchenware, serveware, cutlery, different types of lights that you can choose from, artificial flowers, live plants, garden furnishing, flooring options, a self-service furnish area where you can pick your DIY furniture from. So all the haul video will be in the next part. So wait for my next video. And don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye.